Good morning, my dear students. I hope all are fine by the grace of God. Today, you are going to learn about History, Unit 3, from Chiefdoms to Empire. In this lesson, you are going to learn about importance of 6th century, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas, to recall the greatness of Mauryan Empire, to gain the knowledge on Ashoka's policies of Dhamma, to examine the causes for the decline of the Mauryan Empire. Importance of 6th century. During the 6th century BC, what is the meaning of BC? BC means before Common Era, BCE or BC. Many territorial states emerged. This led to the transformation of socio-economic and political life of the people in the Gangetic Plains. Gangetic Plains are very fertile. So, a new intellectual awakening began to develop in northern India. Mahavira and Gautama Buddha represented this new awakening. Role of iron in a changing society. Iron played a significant role in this transformation of society. What is the meaning of significant? Significant means important. The fertile soil of the Gangetic Valley and the use of plowshares improved agriculture productivity. In addition, iron facilitated craft production. Agrarian surplus and increase in craft products resulted in the emergence of trading and exchanging centers. This in turn paved the way of the rise of towns and cities. Gana, Sanghas and kingdoms. There were two kinds of government in the north India during the 6th century BC. Gana, Sanghas, non-monarchical states. Gana means people of equal status. Kingdoms, monarchies. The term Gana means people of equal status. Sangha means assembly. So, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. Janapadas were the earliest gathering places of men. Later, Janapadas became the republics or smaller kingdoms. So, Janapadas and Mahajanapadas are the kingdoms. In 6th century BC, there were 16 Mahajanapadas. There are Magadha, Avanti, Kosala and Vasta become noteworthy. Magadha was located on the lower part of Gangetic Plain. The land here was fertile, thick forest and abundance of natural resources like iron led to urbanization and the emergence of Magadha as an empire. So, 16 Mahajanapadas. What are the 16 Mahajanapadas? Anga, Magadha, Vaji, Malla, Kasi, Kuru, Kosala, Avanti, Chedi, Vatsa, Panchala, Macha, Sursena, Asaka, Gandhara and Kamboja are 6 Mahajanapadas. There were 4 Mahajanapadas. They were Magadha in Bihar, Avanti in Ujjain, Kosala in East Uttar Pradesh and Vatsa and Kasambi, Allahabad. Among the 4 Mahajanapadas, Magadha emerged as an empire. Dynasties of ancient Magadha. 4 dynasties ruled over Magadha Empire. So, what are the 4 dynasties? The Aryanka dynasty, Shishunaga dynasty, the Nanda dynasty, the Maurya dynasty. The Maurya dynasty is the most important dynasties Haryanka dynasties. Magadha's gradual rise to political supremacy began with Bimbisara of Haryanka dynasty. Bimbisara extended the territory of Magadhan Empire by conquest by matrimonial alliances. His son Ajatasattu, a contemporary of Buddha, convened the first Buddhist council at Rajagriha. So, Bimbisara extended the territory of Magadha Empire by conquest and by matrimonial alliances. Ajatasattu convened the first Buddhist council at Rajagriha. It is a very, very important question. So, first Buddhist council convened by Ajatasattu, son of Bimbisara, belongs to Haryanka dynasty. Next, Shishunaga dynasty. Haryanka dynasty was succeeded by the Shishunaga dynasty. Kalasoga, a king of Shishunaga dynasty, shifted the capital from Rajagriha to Padaliputra. Padaliputra, present day Patna, Bihar. It is located in Bihar. So, Kalasoga, a king of dynasty, shifted capital from Rajagriha to Padaliputra. He convened the second Buddhist council at Vaishali. So, next we are going to see about Nanda dynasty. Nandas were the first empire builders of India. The first Nanda ruler was Mahabhatma. Mahabhatma Nanda was succeeded by his 8 sons. They were known as Navanandas. Nava means 9. So, Navanandas. 9 Nandas. So, Dhanananda, the last Nanda ruler, was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya. Dhanananda, the last Nanda ruler, was overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya. So, Nanda dynasty, the first empire builders of India. Next, we are going to learn about Mauryan Empire. So, capital, India's first empire. Capital, Padaliputra. Present day, it is located in Bihar, in Patna, Bihar. Capital, Padaliputra. Government, monarchy government. So, capital, Padaliputra. Present day, Patna and Bihar. Government, monarchy. What is the meaning of monarchy? A form of government with a monarch at the head. That means in Tamil, Mudiyachi. Historical era, 322 BC to 187 BC. Important kings, Chandragupta, Bindusara, Ashoka. So, Chandragupta Maurya. The Mauryan Empire was the first largest empire in India. Remember, the Mauryan Empire was the first largest empire in India. Chandragupta Maurya established empire in Magadha. Chandragupta Maurya performed Salakena. Salakena means Jain monk Chandragupta Maurya. The first largest empire in India, Chandragupta Maurya established empire in Magadha. Chandragupta Maurya performed Salakena. Salakena means Jaina rituals in which a person fast unto his death. Rituals means in Tamil sadangu. So next, Bindusara, Simhasena. He was the real son of Chandragupta Maurya. Bindusara's real name was Simhasena. He was the real son of Chandragupta Maurya. Greeks called Bindusara's Amitagada. Greeks called Bindusara's Amitagada. Amitagada means slayer of enemies. What is the meaning of slayer of enemies? Someone who causes the death of a person or animals. So Greek called Bindusara's Amitagada. During the Bindusara's reign, Mauryan Empire spread over the large parts of India. He appointed his son Ashoka as a governor of Ujjain. After his death, Ashoka ascended the throne of Magadha. After his death, Ashoka ascended the throne of Magadha. Ashoka. So Ashoka was the most famous of the Mauryan kings. He is one of the most famous of the Mauryan kings. He was known as Devanampiya. So Devanampiya means beloved of the gods. Devanampiya means beloved of the gods. Ashoka fought the Kalinga war in 261 BC. Ashoka fought the Kalinga war in 261 BC. He won the war and captured Kalinga. So he won the war and captured Kalinga. The horror of war was described by the king himself in the Rock Edict 13. The horror of war was described by the king himself in the Rock Edict 13. Chandasoga. Ashoka the wicked to Dhammasoga, Ashoka the right aces. Chandasoga. Ashoka the wicked to Dhammasoga, Ashoka the right aces. After the battle of Kalinga, Ashoka became a Buddhist. He undertook tours, dharmayatras, to different parts of the country, instructing people on the policies of Dhamma. What is the meaning of Dhamma? It contained the noblest ideas of humanism, forming the essence of all religions. Compassion, charity, purity, saintliness, self-control, truthfulness, obedience and respect for parents, preceptors and elders. Obedience and respect for parents, preceptors and elders. Ashoka sent his son Mahinda and Sanghamitta to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism. Ashoka sent his son Mahinda and Sanghamitta to Sri Lanka to propagate Buddhism. Ashoka held the third Buddhist council at his capital Padaliputra. Ashoka held the third Buddhist council at his capital Padaliputra. Edicts of Ashoka. The 33 edicts on the pillar as well as builders edicts of Ashoka. The 33 edicts on the pillar as well as builders and cave walls made by the Emperor Ashoka. What is the meaning of edicts? An edict is an official proclamation issued by authority or king. An edict is official proclamation issued by authority or a king. Emperor Ashoka described in detail. Ashoka believes in peace, righteousness, justice, and is concerned for the welfare of his people. So, the rock edicts 2 and 13th of the Ashoka refers to the names of the three dynasties, namely Pandyas, Cholas, Keralaputras, Satyaputras. So, Mauryan administration, centralized administration. The king was the supreme and sovereign authority of the Mauryan Empire. The king was the supreme and sovereign authority of the Mauryan Empire. Council of ministers known as Mandri Parishad assisted the king. The king had an excellent spy system. The king had an excellent spy system. Revenue system. The land was the most important source of the revenue for the state. Bali and Baga as taxes collected from people. Bali and Baga are the taxes collected from the people. The land tax Baga collected and 1/6 of the total produce. So if we produce or something else like rice, wheat, we have to give 1/6 of the tax, that means Baga. So collected and 1/6 of the total produce. Much of the state revenue was spent on paying the army, the officials of the royal government. Judicial system. The king was the head of the judiciary. The king appointed many judges subordinate to him. King was the head of judiciary. He was the highest court of the appeal. King appointed many judges subordinate to him. Military administration. The king was the supreme commander of the army. A board of 30 members divided into 6 committees. Navy, armory, transport and supply, infantry, cavalry, war chariots, war elephants. Municipal administration. Board of 30 members divided into 6 committees. Town administration was under Nagarika. He was assisted by the Statanika and Gopa. Currency. Money was not only used for trade, even the government paid its officers in cash. The punch-marked silver coins, panas, which carry the symbols of the peacock, and the hill crescent copper coins called mashakas form the imperial currency. Trade and urbanization. Trade flourished particularly with Greece, Malaya, Ceylon and Burma. The Arthashastra refers to the regions producing specialized texts: Kasi, Benares, Vanga, Bengal, Kamapura, Assam and Madurai in Tamil Nadu. So main exports: spices. Spices are the soul food of India. So spices, pearls, diamonds, cotton textiles, ivory works, conch shells. Main imports: horses, gold, glassware, linen. Mauryan art and architecture. Mauryan art can be divided into 2. Indigenous art. Indigenous art means statues of Yakshas and Yakshis. Royal art. places and public buildings. Monolithic pillars. Mono means single, monolithic pillars. So rock cut architecture, stupas. So what is the yakshas? What is the meaning of yakshas? Yakshas were deities connected with water, fertilities, trees, the forest and the wilderness. Yakshis were the female counterpart. So stupa. So stupas. A stupas is a semi-spherical dome-like structures constructed on brick or stone. The Buddha's relics were placed in the center of dome. Monolithic pillar. Monolithic pillar Saranath. The crowning element in this pillar is Dharmachakra. Decline of the Mauryan empires. Ashoka's successors were very weak, continuous revolts in different parts of the empire. Invasions by the Bactrian kings weakened by the empire. Last Mauryan ruler Brigadratha was killed his commander Pushyamitra Sunga, who established Sunga dynasty